Let's do a refrigerator tour of my little mini fridge here in Bali, Indonesia. We have frozen durian, frozen papaya, carrots, garlic, chilies, tempeh, some leftover rice, extra rice, more chilies, baby bok choy, also known as pak choy, little citruses, papaya, bananas, soursop, mango, more papaya. What do we have in here? A pineapple and eggplant and some salak, snake fruit, ketchup manis, that delicious coconut butter, some snacks, some homemade carrots, or homemade carrot, cucumber, pickles, that's the name, peanut butter, and coconut cream.